Okay, let's discuss potency and multiple efficacy. Potency and multiple efficacy. For clinical use, it's important to distinguish between a drug's potency and its efficacy. Potency denotes the amount of drug needed to produce a given effect. In graded dose response measurement, the effect usually chosen is 50% of multiple effect, EC50. Multiple efficacy, sometimes referred to simply as efficacy. Efficacy, often called multiple efficacy, is the greatest effect, Emax. Let's look at this graph. Potency denotes the amount of drug needed to produce a given effect. Given effect, different drug, different doses. The effect usually chosen is 50% of multiple effect, EC50. Sometimes we choosing different percent. Multiple efficacy. Efficacy is the greatest effect, Emax, here. Let's look at the graph. Which drug has largest effect? We have questioned at the beginning of the class. If to compare the potency, drug B has largest potency. For to produce a given effect, it uses this dose. If compare the efficacy, drug A, C, D are the same, and larger efficacy than B. They all have larger multiple effect. So, to compare the effect of drug, we should have precondition, whether to compare the potency or efficacy, or we couldn't make the decision. Another example. Here, comparison the potency and efficacy of diuretic. The abscissa is dose. The ordinate is sodium dismissed every day. Which drug has largest effect? We couldn't make the decision. If we compare the efficacy, furosemide have largest efficacy. If we compare the potency, cyclopenthiazide has largest potency. How to use the potency and efficacy to choose the drug and dose? For example, if the patient has severe edema, we should choose the furosemide, which has largest efficacy. If the patient has minor edema, we should choose any drug. But to produce the given effect, every drug should give a different dose. By the way, furosemide is seldom to be used in minor edema, for its severe side effect. We'll discuss them in the later chapter. Key point: potency, multiple efficacy.